Mew and Meow were having fun playing on the slide. Then they spotted something odd. It looked as if branches were growing out of the grass. What do you think it is? Go and find out, said Meow. Off you go. So Mew went to take a closer look. Maybe it's a branch you can swing from, she thought.
Is it?
Oh, no.
But the branches came apart and Mew fell off. She didn't like that at all. Those branches dropped me on the ground. You have a look. Go on.
No.
When Meow got there, the branches had disappeared. But not for long. When the branches started poking him, Meow ran away. Mew and Meow watched from a distance. The branches started growing leaves and berries.
Bellissimo.
I've never seen a tree like that, said Meow. But it wasn't a tree at all. It was a deer. And he had a beautiful set of antlers.
Sim. Toi. Co.
Do you think he'd let us play with him? Asked Mew. Of course I will, said the deer. Come over here and you can swing from my antlers.
Voilà. Gymnastique.
So Mew and Meow were soon swinging backwards and forwards like real gymnasts.
Voilà.